This is part 2 of the 3.1 video notes for summer school. So we're picking up at Mr. Slope Guy, which is really helpful in remembering what kind of slope we have. So here we have positive slope, so there's the plus sign underneath. Here we have negative slope, looks like this going down the mountain, and there's the negative slope. And then we have our two special cases, which we're going to talk more about. But the first special case is a vertical line, so it goes straight up and down. And underneath there's this U, which stands for undefined. So if you want to write that somewhere on your paper, that would be very helpful. All right, and then we have a horizontal line, which goes straight across. And you see these two circles that are sitting on the side. Our number that looks like a circle is a 0, so that stands for 0 slope. So that might be helpful to write down as well, just so you remember that. So our two special cases are the horizontal and vertical lines. So when we have a y equals line, that is going to be a horizontal line. So it's opposite of the axis it's on. So horizontal is what you're going to write in this blank. So to graph it, we would go to the point y equals 5. So we go to our y-axis, go to 5, put a point there. And then we would draw a horizontal line through that point. All right. So since this is a horizontal line, its slope would be 0. Its x-intercept, the point where it crosses the x-axis, would be none. It does not cross the x-axis, so it has no x-intercept. And its y-intercept would be right where it crosses the y-axis, which is at y equals 5. So that coordinate point would be 0, 5, where x is 0 and y is 5. So that would go in that blank right there. All right, and then our other special case line would be an x equals line, which is going to be a vertical line, so straight up and down. So to graph this line, we go to the point where x equals 5. So we go onto the x-axis, which is our horizontal axis. We go to the point x equals 5, and then we draw a vertical line through that point. Since this is a vertical line, our slope we say is undefined. Our x-intercept would be at 5, so we put 5, 0 for our x-intercept. Since it does cross our x-axis at 5. And this line never crosses our y-axis because it's parallel to our y-axis, so for our y-axis, our y-intercept, it would be none. It has no y-intercept. All right, that is our special case lines. So that's all the notes I have for you. Thank you for watching this video, and please complete your 3.1 practice problems.